best contractors we've worked with. I'll tell you, this is one of the oldest houses you'll find in this stretch of town. And that roof was in rough shape. We needed a lot of work done to it. They did it all. Worked with us every step of the way. Went above and beyond what you'd expect from anybody. We wouldn't be here in this situation right now without them. Yeah, man. Can't say enough about what Gator Roofing did for us. The highest quality too. The roof's brand new, up to code and above and beyond. Brand new sheeting on it. They even fixed some of the trim up there for us too. Gosh, anything that was wrong, now that roof's right. And if you want to get it right, that's who you're going to go with.
All right, Michael, we appreciate it.